Hello everyone and welcome to our class. In previous classes we have discussed about nouns. So today we are going to start pronoun. So what is pronoun? In this chapter we will study about what is pronoun and what are the functions of various types of pronouns, and what are the various types of pronouns, means classification of pronouns. So today's video is about the introduction of pronoun and classification of pronoun. So first of all, let's understand what is the pronoun. So if you give the definition, if you read the definition of a pronoun, then you will study in the book, you find in the book that pronoun is the word that is used in place of noun. What does it mean? If a pronouns are the words which represent noun, means if in a sentence there are nouns, so we can replace these nouns by pronouns for to avoid repetition. Let's understand by the example. Suppose I write here that something John is a noun. John is a good boy. And once again I am writing John play football. John plays football. That is the second sentence. And now once again I am writing John loves John's parent. And John's parents love John. Let's read once again. John is a good boy. John plays football. John loves John's parents. John's parents loves John. Don't you think that when we are studying this paragraph, then it seems a little bit awkward to us? Means we are repeating John's. So we can replace John's and John by some other words. Means कि ये जो जॉन बार बार आ रहा है, इसके रिपीटिशन से बचने के लिए जो बार बार आ रहा है उसको बार बार ना लाकर हम कुछ ऐसे शब्द यूज़ करें कि हमारी मीनिंग सेम हो, जो हम कहना चाहते हैं वो बात क्लियर हो. The thing we want to say should be clear by using those words. Means the meaning, what we want to refer, what we want to express should be clear, should be the same if we use some other words also. So we can replace these things. So first John, let the first name be here like John. We can replace this John by a word that is called he. And once again, the third sentence, we can replace the word John once again by he. हम इस John को भी he से replace कर सकते हैं. And here John's parent, we can replace it by his. And once again here John's parent, we can replace is by his, and here by him. So these words he, his and him, we have placed them instead of John. John के लिए हम इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ किए हैं, तो ये वर्ड्स प्रोनाउन कहलाते हैं। तो आप डेफिनेशन जो होगी वो ये होगी, द वर्ड्स दैट आर यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन टू अवॉइड रिपीटिशन आर कॉल्ड प्रोनाउंस। वो शब्द जो नाउन की जगह पर आकर यूज़ हो जाएं ताकि हम रिपीटिशन दोहराने से बच सकें, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रोनाउन कहते हैं। सो इन दिस वे प्रोनाउंस आर वेरी यूजफुल। If you study very carefully, if you watch the video very carefully, you will understand what are the functions of various types of pronoun. So I hope you have understood now what is the function and introduction of pronoun, means what is pronoun. Now we will come to know what are the various types of pronoun. So first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Second is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. Next means third is reflexive pronoun. Pronouns. And fourth is relative pronouns. Relatives pronouns. Next and fifth is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. Sixth is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. And seventh is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. And so there are 7 types of pronouns which we will cover in other videos. In other videos we will cover these type of nouns. So first is personal pronoun. They refer to the person, thing or ideas. They refer to the person, thing or ideas. For example, I, you, they, likewise he, she, it. They refer to the person, means I refer to I am a person. You refers to you are a person, you are persons. They refers to the other whom about we are talking, so they are also person. It refers to the animal or animal or things or ideas. If suppose I'm talking about something, some ideas, someone's emotions, so I am talking about it. So it refers to the things or ideas. I, you, they refers to the persons. So these are called personal pronouns. Likewise, possessive pronouns, you have understand in the noun section, case section, the noun case, that possessive means to possess something, to have something. If something is related to someone, or if someone is related to someone, then it means one person has something or someone, और the thing belongs to that person, यानी कोई आदमी या कोई चीज़ या आदमी रखती हो. जैसे मेरे पास चौक है, आई हैव समथिंग. सो यहाँ पर पॉजेसिव मतलब जो कोई चीज़ रख रहा हो. तो इस तरह के प्रोनाउंस भी होते हैं. जैसे आई से जो पॉजेसिव बनेगा वो क्या होगा, माई होगा. और इसी तरह से यू का योर, देयर and its. So what these words refer to? These words refer to the relation to something or somebody. Means my chalk, my shirt, my pen. Means I have this chalk. This chalk belongs to me. This shirt belongs to me. So you can say your book means you have the book. The book belongs to you means वो तुम्हारी बुक है, तुमसे रिलेटेड है. तो ये रिलेशन बतलाने के लिए ये पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउंस का यूज़ हम करते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपका है रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस जब हम किसी आइडियाज़ को स्वयं ही करते हैं तो हम उसे यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे माई से माई सेल्फ. जैसे मैंने कोई चीज़ खुद ही किया, आई माई सेल्फ हैड डन इट. तो ऐसी जगह पे हम माई सेल्फ यानी रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करते हैं. यू से योर सेल्फ और योर सेल्व्स. Yourself for singular you and yourself for plural you. Likewise, relative pronouns, this is also like possessive, but it relates to some clause also, some phrases also, something, ideas, person. So we will study about this relative pronoun in very detail in next videos. So relative pronouns which what, that, who, whom, likewise. These are only examples. All the relative pronouns are not here. I am giving only some of them. We will study about all the relative pronouns in next videos in very detail. Interrogative, what is the meaning of interrogate? Means asking questions. If a word asks questions, that they are called interrogative pronouns. So who, what, where, these are called interrogative. These type of words which ask question to someone, they are called interrogative प्रोनाउंस. मीन्स जो शब्द प्रश्न करते हैं, क्वेश्चन करते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस कहते हैं. डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट मीन्स होता है कि इशारा करना, टू इंडिकेट टू समथिंग और समवन. इशारा करना, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट, और ऑब्जर्व करना. So if I say that thing, then I am indicating toward that thing. This chalk, this board, this room, these chalks are those। तो मैं इसमें क्या कर रहा हूँ, इशारा कर रहा हूँ। इशारा करने वाले वर्ड जो रिफ़र करते हैं इशारे को, वो कहलाते हैं डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस। सो दीज आर दिस, दैट and plural of this, that, these, those and such as, these are demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite pronoun, when a pronoun doesn't refer to a particular person, it refers to general people, thing or ideas. It is not only for particular person, then they are called indefinite pronouns. So we will discuss in very detail in the next videos. Today only we are classifying what are the types of pronouns and what is the function of pronouns. So indefinite pronoun 1 and none, like them. There is one more pronoun that is called distributive pronoun. So it would be distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns each, every, either or either, neither or neither, they are called distributive pronoun. So in next videos we will see the personal pronoun, possessive pronoun. We will cover 2 of them in one videos. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.